Welcome back to my channel, Glamour Has No Age. My name is Michelle. If you're new here, I'd like you to, if you'd stick around, consider hitting subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also the like button. I try to do videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm trying to upload at 5:30 right now. I know it's a little confusing for people because I was uploading at 9 p.m., but I'm going to try to get the videos done ahead of time and upload them. Alright, today I am using the NARS Summer Unrated Eyeshadow Palette. It looks like this. Pretty colors. I'm gonna take my reference number 16 and I'm gonna go into this color right here and put that all over my lid. Then I'm going to go into this pinky tone with the same brush right here and put that in my crease. So far, I'm really liking the tones in this palette. I'm going to take my small little shader from Angie Hot and Flashy, go in this color, go into this color right here, and try to deepen up my outer V. That works. I'm going to take my other Angie brush, the one for shimmers, the A505. You can buy these separately now. And I'm going to go into this shimmer right here at Little Pink, Baby Pink, and put that all over my lid. Let me put on some mascara. I like the look so far. Very casual, good to go out in. I'm going to put on my, what is this called? I forget. Charlotte Tilbury. And what color? Let me look at the label. Blondie. Took me a while, but and that's it. That's my look. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the like button. It helps me be seen by other people. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.